So what's up, guys? Back to another one. In this one, we're gonna do a reaction for Ukraine's representation song for Eurovision 2025. The song is under the name Bird of Prey by Ziferblat. Let's do a reaction and I will tell you my opinion later. So let's start the reaction now.
Не хочу нікуди їхати.
Ну і не їдь. Рухай свій світ, якщо хочеш.
Додай гучності своєму мейку з Maybelline New York.
Зайдеш і до мене, моя пташка, крилами пісня злітає важка, серденько, серце кохане, не турбуйся, доля довірила всіх останніми знов. Я світла шукаю, гори зверну, and I call you fly, but I'm begging you, please just leave, share my heart with someone who cares of me and my little bird of prey. Вертайся додому, рідна стежка, спів перелітних пташок народить весну. I call you fly, but I'm begging you, just guess of me and my little bird.
Solo.
Like a bird, where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share
Well,
my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of
okay. Let me do.
Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of prey.
Love that. Another time.
Little bird of prey.
So this song actually is very clearly what is the message about. Uh, I didn't get the words what he was saying, but some of the lyrics I got them. For example, please leave me alone, let me leave, something like that. It was saying, right? So it was obvious. This song is straight for the situation that's happening in Ukraine right now, and Ukraine trying to stay like how it wants to stay, you know what I mean? That was the message. And not trying to go into the political stuff because I truly hate politics, okay? But for me, I'm with the idea that people should stop the whole damn wars and start to think about first the humanity aspect of things, and then the secondary things are have to be the other things, you know, because first we need to be humans, okay? Goddamn humans. That's what I like in the metal community, you know what I mean? In the metal community, they do not give a fuck if you are black, white, yellow, Asian, gay or straight or whatever. We all big love community, big love, big love team. That we care about each other, even in the mosh pit, you know, when even one person are going to fall down, they're gonna give you a wall to stand up again. That's what the metal community is all about, is trying to help each other, okay? That's what humans need to do again. So about this song, I really like the song. This song is special. It's this type of song, actually I heard it many times because it belongs to the rock genre, okay? But this song with the good stage performance and some visuals behind it, okay? Yeah, it's gonna be the finals. I have to be honest with you, I really like the song that Ukraine sent in previous year more than this one, but maybe it's one of the songs that I'm going to hear it more than once to like it, okay? And it seems like for me, okay. But overall, it's a 7.5 out of 10 basically, okay. So far I truly like Finland's more so far, okay. So that was my reaction, guys. Also my review for this song. Please tell me your opinion in the comments below. That's it. Please do not forget to subscribe and share, and see you later. Peace.